Hey everybody, so I know it's been a while since I made a video on my little 98 Chevy OBS. So just letting you know, have been doing updates on it. I have been working on it, just been so busy I ain't had time to make a video. I apologize for that. I'm gonna try to get back to making more videos so y'all can see what's going on. But got my transmission, I had to take it apart. I went ahead and took it apart again because I've got a billet valve body, manual valve body. So I finally got that in, and now I want to show y'all what I found out. And I got this off another guy off of YouTube, and it's pretty good information, but if y'all haven't seen it, you'll know what I do. I needed a converter, but converters are kind of hard to get right now, so I bought it off the shelf. But I found a little sneaky one from Jegs, off of the tip off of this guy, and I'll give you the part number. It'll hold 800 horsepower with a trans brake. So, and it was less than $500 shipped to my house. So let me show you what I got. I'll give you the, then I'll show you about my flywheel problem that I had. All right, so let me spin this around. There's the transmission and all that. It's done with the billet valve body and everything. And the motor's sitting over there. Y'all have to pardon my thing. My wife's got a desk in here. But this is the little jewel I was telling you about from Jegs. Hopefully you can see that. Part number. If nobody's put it out there, I kind of hate to show this like the guy said because they'll run the price up on them. But these are built. But this is what it looks like. And they'll hold 800 horsepower. So there you go. Alright, so what I ended up doing, now let me show you my problem I run into. So I bought this SFI, you see it, flywheel. Well, when I ordered it, it was supposed to be for LS to a 400, but it ended up coming, and I picked the wrong part number by accident, and this is for a 4L60, so it won't fit. So, trying to get all the pieces together. This is the stock one that come off my 5.3 with the 3-bolt. It won't line up with this, so it's the exact same as this one right here. So what did I end up doing? And I'll show you the part number. This was right at $100. It was $95, $97 from Jegs, or $93, something like this. This right here is the flex plate. It works on it with the adapter. All right, comes with the bolts, and you see the little adapter on the back. That's the adapter. There's the adapter you need for it. And it will load, and it's 6-bolt, but it lines up perfectly with this. This right here, you know, I don't recommend this if you're building a race truck. This is not approved, but like me, I'm building a street truck, so this will work good enough for me. But this come off of a 2003, I think, Savannah 2500 van. There's the part number from it. I bought it from AutoZone. $71 is what I paid for that. So, if you want to save a little money, I know it's not FSI. Now, I do not recommend it if you're building a race truck, but I'm just building one for the street and to have fun in. So, that's what I need. But as you can see, transmission's completely done now. I just got to get my wife's furniture trailer full of furniture that she picked up out of here. There's the motor. It's sitting there ready to drop in. You know, I got my other pieces back here waiting to go on, turbo and all that. So, but it's ready. I just got to have time to get it in. Just thought I'd give y'all guys another update. And also, remember, you know, I do appreciate you watching all my videos. Everybody's watching, but if you don't mind subscribing and hitting that notification bell, that way we can build the channel up a little more and do some more videos. Thank you. And also got some more cars coming. We've been building other cars. We just didn't have permission. Now I got permission to put their videos on there in their car, so we're going to start adding that. All right, see you later.